Okay, good day, guys. Yes, we'll be talking on dropshipping series. So today, I want to talk about how I started my furniture business through dropshipping. I didn't start my furniture business with millions. Actually, I started with zero stock. So here's the story. When I got married, I rented an apartment, but for over a year plus, I could not fully furnish it. Not because I didn't want to, but because furniture in my area were too expensive. So I started searching online for quality but affordable furniture. So in my search, I found out a guy who does furniture around Sele area, right? So we purchased the furniture, he brought it to my house, and I was able to furnish my house looking decent, moderate, and at a very affordable rate. Now, here is where everything changed. So whenever my friends visited, they were shocked. Like, Dennis, where do you get this amount of money to buy this furniture? Yeah, because in my area, that furniture was 350K. So, like, I'll tell them, do you like it? They say yes. I said, okay, if you have 150K, I should be able to get you this furniture. Because actually, I was getting it from that guy. I got it from that guy for 100,000. Even at the end, it was 90K I paid the guy. Then, and I gave him transportation fare, which is like 10K. So everything was 100,000. So, as many friends that showed interest, here is now the dropshipping move. I'll call the guy, a friend need this. Yeah. So he will sell for me for 110. I was selling for these guys for 150. Guess what? They were still saving like from their end, they were saving like 200K. Because as at that time, you would get that kind of chair in my area for 350K. But I was getting it for 100K. Meanwhile, I was selling for 150. Right? So that's how the dropshipping thing started. For the scaling aspect, so one day I asked the guy, how many sets do you really sell in like a month? So he told me like 2 to 3 sets in a month. So I told him, okay, I can increase your sales because my friends were also had friends who were already coming aboard to also make requests through them. Right. So I was just the middle guy telling the guy, make a supply, and they either pay him directly or they pay me and I give him his own cut, or they pay him and they send me my own cut. So here's the teaching part. Right. So I created Facebook page and I'm already used to how to run Facebook, Instagram ads. Right. So I will ask him for pictures. He will send me because I was still busy at work then. So he will send me pictures. I'll post it on my Facebook page.